Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the Canva design or video you want to narrate. Once you have the file on screen, open Uploads and pick Audio, then record yourself. Make sure to allow microphone access and select the correct input. Test levels so your voice reads clearly without clipping. If you prefer, import a pre-recorded clip instead. At this stage, you're preparing the track. Set a quiet room and neutral mic placement to reduce echo and keep your delivery steady. Now you'll record directly in Canva or upload a WAV/MP3 file you already made. Hit record and speak one clip per scene for easier edits. Once done, trim or split clips and drag them onto the timeline to match visuals. Make sure to adjust clip volume and add short fade in or out to smooth transitions. If scenes change pace, set page-level timing so the audio aligns. This helps you maintain rhythm and avoid sudden jumps between visual beats. Finish by previewing the entire video and listening for sync issues or noise. Once done, mute other tracks briefly to isolate your narration and fix timing by nudging clips on the timeline. When satisfied, export as MP4 or share a Canva link and test playback on at least one mobile and one desktop device. If you hear popping or clipping, make sure to reduce input gain, use a pop filter, or re-record the affected segment. These steps usually solve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.